Happy New Year from Howler Media. We start the year off with answering the question, why Costa Rica? There are so many great places that people are searching for vacations. Retirement, second homes, and working remotely. We dive into the good, the bad, and the ugly of the land of pura vida. Which region is best for you? What are some of the major considerations? A great collection of information for the curious, but serious seeker. We had over 3 million reads this year, thanks to you. January's edition includes a variety of articles in the Travel and Adventure section, Real Estate Information, Pura Vida Living, Beautiful Creatures in Wildlife, Surfing, Arts, Culture and Entertainment section, Business and Legal Information, Costa Rican Recipes, and Fashion. Thank you for supporting our partners that make real escapes possible to a worldwide audience.